Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you all have seen from the thumbnail, I'll be working with these wood blocks, which I absolutely love. And if you're looking for these, you can find them in the toy section at Dollar Tree. First thing I'm going to do is lay some of this wax paper down so the glue don't get everywhere. Now I'm gluing my blocks together in a very simple design, so just keep on watching. After every few blocks that I put together, I like to go back and wipe off the excess glue. This is the completed piece, and off camera I completed the second piece and also a third piece, and I also glued these together as well. And now I'm going to take my black acrylic paint and also a foam brush, and I'm going to apply this to all pieces. After I apply the paint to the front side, I'm going to let that dry, then flip them all over and apply paint on the back side. My piece is dry now, and now it's time to decorate, and I'll be using one of my favorites, which is the self-adhesive rectangular mirror tiles. You can also use these disco tiles from Dollar Tree. I'll only be using this fix-all adhesive to apply my mirror tiles. You can use E6000 glue or even hot glue, but I'm using only this glue so that way I can be able to adjust my mirror tiles if need be. This is the second piece, and I'm going to do this one a little different. I will not be fully covering this piece with all the mirror tiles, so just keep on watching to see the process. I completely forgot to place the middle mirror tiles down first. As you all can see, I had to adjust the mirror tiles so the middle mirror tile can fit. If you are going to recreate this, please place the middle mirror tiles down first so the mirror tiles can lay evenly. I did not cover these blocks, and y'all will see why shortly. This is the third piece, and I'm going to complete this piece just as I did the second piece, but this one's going to be a little different, so just keep on watching. I left the middle spaces open so that way I can be able to glue these pieces down, and not only that, you will not be able to see the mirror tiles in these spaces, so that's why I just left it blank. I'm gluing the second piece right on top of the two blocks, and then I'm going to glue the other two blocks on and glue the first piece on top of that. To keep your pieces in place, please hold them in the exact position that you like, or else place something heavy on top until the glue dries. This turned out super amazing. It's super lightweight, so it's safe to use only command strips to hang it on the wall. Comment below and let me know what y'all think. For this next project, I'm just gluing multiple pieces together just like this, so just keep on watching. Now I'm putting my pieces into the shape that I want. It's very simple, but yet unique, so just stay tuned. I'm just continuing filling in all my spaces until I have the desired length that I want. I still have a few more to fill in, and I'm going to keep going until this side looks exactly like the other side. I'm covering this piece with that same black acrylic paint, and I'll also be covering the back side as well. I'm starting in the middle so that way all my mirror tiles is laid out evenly. I'm loving how this one turned out as well. I love crafting with these wood blocks because you can just do so much with them. Comment below and let me know what y'all think. For this next project, I'm just gluing multiple pieces together by twos, just like this. Now I'm just going to glue the corners together, just like this. And then keep repeating the same process until I'm happy with the length. I do not use measurements, I just simply eyeball everything. This is the completed results. I'm happy with the way this looks. It looks very unique, and I'm going to try something different and use this gold metallic acrylic paint. As I got to painting, I noticed that the coverage was not that good, so in a second you guys will see me applying this white acrylic paint that I purchased from Michael's a while back. Although the majority of these blocks will be covered up with the mirror tiles, I just wanted the gold to really shine through. I should have painted these before I glued them together because I had trouble getting in between and even with the smaller foam brush, so it probably would be best to just spray paint this. Okay y'all, so I spray painted it with my white spray paint. I could have just left it white and glued the mirror tiles down and been done, but I wanted to see how good this coverage is with the gold acrylic paint. But as I got to painting, I seen that it was basically the same as it was before. So basically this turned into a little experiment that is not turning out too well. So I'm about to take this back outside to spray paint it with my gold metallic spray paint, and I'll be right back. After my little experiment, this project definitely turned out absolutely amazing. I love how I can take simple things and turn them into luxury. Comment below and let me know which was your favorite project for this week.